Hello. Today is Tuesday, February 1st, 5:44 a.m. I'm here in Shawnee, Kansas at Walmart. Can't get anyone to take me seriously still. Family takes me a joke. Thinks military nurse is fake. And a snowstorm is about to hit. They won't help. I can't get out of here. Trying to get a refund to get help, and I can't get it. I could be dead here soon. Possibly from sub-freezing temperatures down to 1 degree. I've emailed and contacted everyone I can. Facebook, Twitter, email, Discord, TeamSpeak, and Hangouts, and Instagram. No one wants to lift a finger. All I need is someone to send $200 in Bitcoin to an address I have. That's it. And they'll be on their way to help me out. Pray for me so I don't freeze to death here. I've got 2 blankets, wearing my heavy jacket now, long sleeve shirt, another shirt. Got a sleeping bag right here, 30-degree sleeping bag. I've got that, a heavy blanket, and another jacket I can put on. As for the tent I tried to set up earlier, I'm going to try to use that to cover me from the rain. And I guess I'll just try to cover garbage bags. I would not be out here right now waiting for it to snow if Walmart didn't screw me over when they're supposed to place something and they won't do it. It had nothing to do with sending money. I can't. I'm stuck. I want us to take things seriously. I'm taking it as a joke. Family solutional. What else I'm supposed to do? Just lay here and die, I guess. So, goodbye.